All right, today we're going to prove something is a rhombus. The one using the definition is if you just prove all sides are congruent. It's cool, that's easy. Use the distance formula for that. Another way, you could prove that it's a parallelogram using any method we did yesterday, and then prove that two sides next to each other are congruent. That would work too. You could also prove that there's a parallelogram using, again, any method from yesterday, and prove that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So you'd want to find the slope and show that the slopes are opposite reciprocals in order to be perpendicular. I personally think finding all sides are congruent is the easiest way for this, and it's the easiest one to remember, so that's the one I'm going to do. So for this potential rhombus, we have YNWA, and we need to find the lengths of YN, NW, WA, and YA. So let's start. The two easiest ones to look at are NW and YA because they're just horizontal lines, and you can just count 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5 box. So NW is 5, and likewise YA is also 5 units. So that's a good sign, and now all we have to do is show that YN and AW are also 5 units. But these are diagonal lines, so we'll have to use the Pythagorean theorem to actually figure out the distance. So let's start with YN. We'll find YN here. And with this, we see that one of the legs is 3, one of the legs is 4. We're going to try to find the other side. So here, let's do a little work. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared. You may remember the Pythagorean triple, or you can just go through it this way. 9 plus 16, that gives you 25, equals x squared. Take the square root, and we get that x equals 5. Ooh, good. So that means the length of YN is 5. All right, cool. Let's do the same thing for AW. So AW has a leg of 4 here, has a leg of 3 here. Wait, we already did that work. We did 3 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared. So you don't have to do it again. We could just say that this is 5, and by the same exact math, the length of WA also equals 5. So now we've shown some math that shows that all the sides are 5 units long, so we just need a concluding sentence now. So I just wrote YNWA is a rhombus because all the sides are congruent. And in parentheses, just in case somebody grading this is a real stickler, they're all 5 units long.